Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Royal Q with Binance. First, you'll need to generate an API key within your Binance account. Navigate to the API management section and create a new key. It's crucial to enable only read-only and spot trading permissions. For your security, always ensure that withdrawal permissions are strictly disabled. This step is fundamental for a safe and effective connection. Once your API key is ready, open the Royal Q application on your device. Locate the API binding section and select Binance. Carefully paste your generated API key and the corresponding secret key into the designated fields. After entering the details, confirm the binding. The application will then verify the connection, and you should see a successful status, indicating that Royal Q can now interact with your Binance account. Before Royal Q can execute trades, you'll need to deposit some USD into your Royal Q account. This balance covers the small gas fees for transactions. We recommend starting with at least $20 for these fees to ensure smooth operation. Next, you can begin configuring your initial trading settings. Select your preferred cryptocurrency pair and choose a suitable trading strategy that aligns with your investment goals. With everything set up, you are now ready to initiate your first trade. Navigate to the quantitative section in Royal Q and select the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade. Choose your desired strategy, such as cycle for continuous trading or one-shot for a single transaction. After confirming your settings, Royal Q will begin executing trades automatically. Remember to monitor your performance and adjust your strategy as necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.